moment. One moment. I said 1 moment. I'm coming to the door.
Listen, hold this in your hand so you know what you're asking. I need to establish who you are. Already?
Oh, gosh. Hold on.
Is it recording?
Yep.
Yeah.
Hello, are you Cheryl?
I would like to know who you are, please.
Could you back up, please?
Please, could you back up?
Excuse
Well, I'm
Please.
stood up
Could I just
somewhere.
get past? Could I just get past my front door? Because I feel like you're in my personal space.
Well, did you not step right
Sorry,
into my
sorry.
personal space?
I had to open my front door.
Questions. There you go.
Okay. Right.
Go on.
Have you got that warrant?
Are you working in accordance with your oath? Are you working in accordance with your oath as a police officer?
That you took as a police officer.
As a police officer, I'm here.
In accordance with
Hang
your
on.
oath.
Can I
I'm just asking a
explain?
question.
Can I explain why I'm here?
Hold on, go on.
Right, we're called here because this gentleman has a warrant issued by the court saying he's allowed entrance.
Aren't you?
to the
I'm not giving you
premises,
permission to be
preventing
here.
entrance to install a meter. Okay? That is why he's here. I'm here to prevent a breach of the peace. This is an order issued by the court.
Hold on. Let him finish. Let him finish.
This is an order issued by the court. Thus, so you have to abide by it. If you wish to appeal it, you need to do that at the court.
I've already done that.
Are you working
have you
in
got
accordance
proof
with the
of that
oath
there?
that you took?
Yes, I have. I showed it to him earlier on.
No, hold on, because you haven't established if he's working in accordance with the oath that he took as a police officer. You haven't said yes
You
or
are
no.
with the common- with
So
the
are
common
you a
law.
public servant trustee?
We're not
No,
public
are you a
servant
public servant
trustees.
You're not a
We are
public
police
servant
officers.
trustee.
We're
So you're not a
police
public
officers.
servant
So you're
trustee.
not a public
You are
servant
not an
trustee.
agent of the government.
I'm not an agent of the government. No,
You're
I'm
not
a
an agent of
spy
the
or anything
government.
like that.
So you're not working in accordance
With
with
the
the
common-
Queen, yeah, who took an oath to uphold God's
Law.
laws, yeah. The oath of office.
Okay,
Yeah,
breach of
no.
the peace.
But how does that apply to me?
Okay,
How does that apply
okay,
to me?
Can you answer me how has breach of the police happened, please?
Do you want to crack on if you want?
He said breach of the police.
Peace.
Huh?
Prevents
Prevents.
breach.
Prevents. How is that? Could you tell me how that is?
Right, this gentleman has a warrant issued by the court stating that he has a job to do. That is what he is here to do. We are
But he's
here
refusing to
facilitate-
He's
answer the
refusing to
questions.
answer the questions. that I
We
put
need to
forward.
establish who he is. He hasn't yet established
we are
that.
here to facilitate the smooth execution of that warrant.
Okay, that's your role, yeah. Okay, can you answer my questions, please, as requested from before? I have not
On the
got my
page
pen.
before.
Okay, my questions are: who are you employed by? Okay, who are you an agent for?
No, who are you employed
No,
by?
he doesn't
Like,
want to answer. He does not want to answer. It's his right.
you haven't established that we have
Who-
any business yet.
Who are your agents? Okay, can I get to see your ID, please? Pardon? I
Sorry?
didn't get to see the information properly. I would need to note it down. Pardon? Excuse me. I would like.
Sorry,
As-
I was talking to my colleague.
Okay,
He
wait.
turns
You talk to me for a second, yeah.
Okay.
These people have not established who they are,
Oh.
so we don't have any business until you can tell me what business that it is we have. I don't know who you are. I don't know who you are. I don't know who you are.
Okay.
I don't know
Actually,
who any of you are.
Butler in 461 NI from Islington Police Station.
Sorry.
All right, 102, and I listen to the police station.
Shoulder number's just there on the
Sorry,
shoulder.
thank you very much for your
Alright.
assistance.
I'll tell you what, I'll even show you.
Thank you very much. Constable Burton.
Yeah, it's on the name badge as well.
Thank you, I can see. Thank you. Thank you very much, Christopher Clark. Christopher Clark. And your badge number.
102, and I on November India station.
Yeah, he's showed his identification.
Can we talk about this correctly, or should we
We
continue
are.
with a charade?
It's not a charade. This is my
It
right.
does- it
I'm
does
underneath
seem
the
a bit-
I'm underneath God's law, common law.
Okay.
And as far as I'm concerned, I'm not causing no
Do
breach
you
of
want to read
peace.
the warrant? Do you want to read the warrant?
I would
Yes
like
or
to
no?
take a photo of the warrant, please.
You can take a photo of the warrant.
I don't want to take it. You can hold it. I just
Right.
want to.
Do you want to read it?
Yes,
See
please.
what it says?
Yes, I would. Sir, sworn information in writing has this day been laid before me by an authorized warrant officer of Resolve Call that the warrant officer is an authorized officer of Scottish Power Energy Retail Limited, the supplier. The supplier is entitled
Yes, it's signed by the magistrate.
That is a warrant of
Hold on.
entry. I'm
Yes,
asking you
signed
For
by the magistrate.
the purpose of
magistrate
removing,
of
inspecting,
what, the crown of the corporation of
reinstalling any
Independent
meter or
Independent
installing
Nation of
any
London.
substitute meter.
in a city In a city, the
This,
corporation.
this particular
the
area is
corporation-
covered by Highbury Corner, Magistrates Court.
In
which is where this court
reasonably
sits.
required.
Who's the magistrates court working under?
Pardon?
Who are the magistrates court working under?
Magistrates Court is technically higher than a Crown Court, if you want to know that much.
Is a reasonably
So, yeah, so you
required
can
by
find
a
out
warrant
that
officer
Statutory law,
or
are you talking
such
about common law?
other
Which one are
authorised
you-
officer
which
or
one are you
agent.
Read the
working under
warrant
right
and you
now?
can find out for
No,
yourself.
I'm asking you because you're here. You're here. Yeah,
I'm here
as
to
a police
facilitate the
officer.
smooth entrance.
Yeah, he has breached the peace. We were fine before he
Came in, I was. I'm a
You
private
were perfectly
citizen.
fine.
So as a
No one-
private
no one
citizen,
here
I
is
was in
being
my house.
employed
Please stop
to be an
shouting
agent of
at
the
the shrine.
government.
I'm not
Please don't
shouting.
put that in my face.
I'm not in your
Okay.
space. Okay, that's
Okay,
your
sorry.
right.
It's on the paper. It's
on
on
your
the
paper.
paper.
Can I
We're
just-
looking at the paper,
Thank you.
which has a stamp on it, which is taken and sworn before. I see a scribbled signature.
No,
District Judge
no printed
/
name.
Justice of Peace. Who is that? Who signed this paper? It doesn't say who
Who's,
signed the
it's
paper.
not even printed of their name, and there's mistakes. Why is that
How
crossed
is that
out?
scratched out? Come
That is
on,
not a
keep it
warrant
real.
with that being scratched out. That is invalid.
How is
Come
the
on,
thing scratched out
Belle.
and it don't have no
Come
one's name
on,
it? And
come
you were
on.
trying to enforce it.
I don't know what that is.
I
Come
don't
on.
know what this is. I'm not sure.
That says we got a date that is scratched out. It says clearly
no. The judge's name is
the
not on there. It's
19th of
just a
October
stamp.
2011, and then it's crossed out, as we can see right here, saying the 14th of July 15. Then it says the 19th of 10, and it's scratched out again.
amended
Hold
by
on.
the judge.
How is it amended?
How's it amended?
You draw up a new
14th,
document, write the judge's
4th,
name and
4th
stamp
of the
it
8th, 11th. You have to, come on. Even when the police do their reports, they have to, a statement. They have, that's one. That's not done, and
Judge-
that's
the
not
judge
done.
amended it.
But that's not done.
No, who is the judge? Could you tell me who the judge is? Because I don't see the judge's name here. If you can tell me who the judge is, then maybe we can proceed. No, but what does that say? What name is
Okay,
that?
on a contract,
What
it also
name
has
is
a
that?
printed name.
Bring up Highbury Corner and they'll tell you.
What
I
name
did.
is? No, you are enforcing something that you can't tell me who is.
I did.
Okay.
Why should I go Highbury Corner when he's come and knocked
I
the
said call
door?
them. I said
What-
if
what
you don't-
for?
If you doubt the validity
We're
of
not
this
making
warrant,
any. We're not making any claim here.
Huh? They were at lunch.
We're not making any claim here.
Well, I know for a fact that they'll be sitting again now, so try and lay
Pardon?
in now.
They were at lunch. I'm.
What about the sign on the door? What about what we're saying?
Hold
Right
on.
now-
As sorry.
Right now,
Let me
we-
hold on, because I don't want to appear to, because I'm not trying to be. I'm trying to just for my rights. Hold
No,
on.
not yet.
Hold on for my rights. Now,
No.
I'm trying to.
We just need to
Yeah,
establish
right.
your rights.
Okay.
Her name's beneficiary. That's what her name is.
Right. What's this? Have you not read this? Have you read this, agent?
You know my name.
Have you read this?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm just going to read it out again. I hereby give notice that the implied right of access to the property known is a notice of removal of implied rights of access. Babes, you need to go. This is what you need to know for your job. This is what you need to know. This is a notice of removal of implied right of access. I think that speaks within
basis of
itself.
what?
I hereby give notice that the implied right of access to the property known as 5 Shelley Court, Hanley Road, N4, 3DJ has been removed in respect of the following. Any employee or agent or principal or any other persons acting on behalf of the corporate courts and Scottish Power, any employee or agent or principal or any other person acting as a third party agent. Now, I know there's been no criminal breach. Yeah, so as
You're offering me a warrant. I'm not accepting it. That's plain and simple.
like I'm stating that at the end of the day, I'll put my case to the Queen. I don't have anybody else to put my case to, because at the end of the day, I'm going by common law. Here we go again. So let me continue. Any employee or agent or principal or any other persons acting as a third party agent for or on behalf of the corporate courts.
Talk to the lawyer, or is it just Google?
Pardon? No, it's actually with the law. You can just go and check Guy Taylor. And there's also something, pardon? Common law. No, common law. Check that. Underneath the Queen's oath.
Hold on.
This-
Right now,
Queen's
all of you
bench.
standing out here, hold on. You're all offering a service that we are not accepting. So we don't have any business here. Could you leave? Could you leave? Could you leave? Could you leave? And could you
Pardon?
leave?
Okay, let me show you.
No,
No. Hold on. I know this. Hold on.
no business
Hold
here.
on.
I'm asking
Excuse
you
me.
to leave.
Sorry, my love. Okay. Okay. Excuse me.
I don't know who you are. Sorry.
Sir, you asked me a question. What's your name, sir?
What's your name?
I'm not trying to
What's
speak
your
to you,
name?
I'm telling you, no
You're
one
getting
wants
paid
to
because you're in the system.
No
I'm
one
asking
wants
you a
to
question.
use it.
You don't have to
No one
answer.
wants
Well,
any
fuck.
business
I'm
here.
not asking you a question. It's
I'm-
a rhetorical question.
Exactly.
Okay, and I showed this man
question.
for since
You ain't paid
2001.
for
No,
it.
I haven't. What are you talking about?
Hold on.
What are you talking
The
about?
bill was not billed to you or to you
Oh,
or to
please.
you. You collected that bill. That has nothing to do. Our business was never with you. We're not taking your service. Could you leave, please? Could you leave? Please, I'm asking you, please, to leave. You, what, the police are there. What's the police
Hold on,
gonna
close
do?
the door. Don't do it yet.
Why won't you leave? Could you tell me why you are not leaving?
No, close it. It's all right.
I do not wish to take your service. What would you like? Can you leave, please? Because I'm going to walk inside and this is going to be over. We're not asking. For the public servant trustees present,
he's a-
we do
I
not
like-
wish to make a claim. There is no claim here. We do not require any service from...
Here's the agent. Are you the locksmith? So you're the locksmith. Hold on. And did you hear? If he puts in a meter, I am not taking on that debt. That is not mine because I do not owe 8,500.
How much do you owe then?
Pardon. Excuse me. They can't tell me because they done a few errors. Hold on. I never said that. Listen to what I'm stating. 2001, I'm breaking it down because you see, I do not like to be made as fraudulent. First and foremost, they acted, and the Fraud Act of 2006, I will for false representation between Virgin and Scottish Power. They fucked up for 2 years. Then they were sending things to the wrong person. I am not Cheryl. Do not talk to me anymore.
Why are they here? They need to leave.
Your gas.
Listen, because you don't know me, and you don't know who you're speaking to, I can understand that. But can you knock me when we're getting somewhere?
Because you're a third party. That's what it says. It says no third parties. You're like a fifth party.
There's
You
look,
didn't even supply the gas to begin with.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people, and they're all conversing.
Unless you owe what? Exactly. Unless you owe him the debt. Do you owe him the debt?
I don't owe him the debt.
Do you know him?
I've never seen
Do
this.
you
I've seen this.
recognise
I
man?
saw that man at court.
You saw that,
And I was
when
told
you
to
were
go home,
leave.
and I was told to leave from court. The court didn't even want to see me.
They sent you a letter.
Hold on, no, they didn't send me a letter again. I never got the letter.
Listen.
Hold on, did you get my signature on anything? Have you got a signature saying I received that letter?
Listen.
Because the first one I got, I signed for it.
Hold on. Listen, you can't let no one take
Please.
You can't. They're disturbing the peace right now.
I would like to press charges on you guys for disturbing my peace, because I'm a private
Breaching
citizen.
the peace right now. You're breaching the peace. And the other police officer is being very uncooperative for someone who is supposed to be upholding some kind of law.
Common law. I thought God, the common law of England, if we're ruling, are governed underneath the common law and God's law. Why are we going
I
through all
don't
of
wish
this?
to have any business with your corporation. Could you all leave, please? Please.
They're not. They're over there.
Well, then we should go inside because there's obviously no business here. By no one responding, yeah, I am assuming that there is no business here, so we're going inside. By
Yeah.
no one responding, we are going inside. Thank you very much for your time.
Oh,
No,
you just
there's
knock me when
no one's responding. We have no business
Okay.
here. Yes, but I'm telling you that we have no business here. We
Huh?
have no business here.
Huh?
I was finishing my conversation, then I was going to speak to you.
Oh, okay.
No, you're supposed to speak to me first.
But those people are all. These are different parties. Not one of them is Scottish Power, the corporation.
This piece of paper is making a claim and you're talking to them. We're human beings standing here saying that someone is disturbing us and you can't come over here and talk to us. But you want to stand over there and say it's a fucking waste of time.